Kia ora. Thanks for joining us. I wanted to share this software which can help you navigate your computer and learn new software, or help you do things in software that you're not too sure how to do. It's called Google AI Studio. It's one element of AI Studio, and what you do is that you share your screen and then you can talk to it and ask it questions and it will respond to you. So let's see how it works. Now, you do need a Google account, but I'm going to come to aistudio.google.com. You can see I've been here before. Okay, and there's lots of different things that we can do here. We'll show some other things maybe later on, but I'm going to come to stream, and this is where I can stream in real time. Okay, and I can talk, I can use webcam, but here I want to share my screen. Now, be aware, sharing your screen, just be careful what you are sharing and make sure that you're comfortable sharing your screen with Google and their AI. So I've got a couple of bits of software here that I want to try. So when I click on share screen, I get to choose the bit of software. So I'm going to go, the first one is my Word document. Okay, share that. Now it's dropped to the background. It's got a picture of what it's looking at. It's also asked permission to use my microphone. This way I can talk to it directly. So I'll click on allow, come back to Word and start talking. Hello.
Hello. How can I help you today?
I have some writing. It's just got some placeholder text at the moment, but I've got 3 chapters and I don't know how to make an index of the chapters. Can you help me do that?
Yes, I can help with that. What you need to create is a table of contents. First, please go to the top.
Oh, sorry. Yep. Carry on.
Okay. Go to the Home tab ribbon. You should see a Style section. Now, please select your chapter titles one at a time and supply the heading 1 style to them.
Ooh. It doesn't have heading 1. Oh, there it is. Heading 1. Okay.
Great. Please apply the heading 1 to all your chapter titles.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's done it.
Okay. Now, place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear, usually at the beginning of the document.
Okay. I'll just move that down. Oh, I think that's still... there we go.
Perfect. Now go to the References tab in the ribbon. On the left side, you should see a table of contents button. Click on it.
Yep. Just go automatic table.
Yes. Click on one of the automatic table options. Word will now generate a table of contents based on the headings you select.
Oh, awesome. Is that it?
Yes. That's how you create a table of contents. If you add more chapters or make changes, you can right-click on the table of contents and select Update Field to refresh it.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, thanks. Okay, so we'll disconnect there. And now I'm going to try something a little bit harder, which is some 3D software. Okay, so I'll go into the 3D software. I'm actually going to, because I've done this before, take out some of these. Okay, I'll come back to Google Studio. I'll start a new stream. Resume stream, clear chat, start a new stream. Share screen. I'll choose SketchUp. Share. Hi. Hi. Can you tell me what the software's called?
The software is called SketchUp.
Okay. I'm just learning how to use it, and I want to make a copy of one of the elements that I've modeled.
Okay, I can help with that. First, could you please select the Move tool? It looks like an arrow with four small arrows around it, usually located on the left-hand side.
Yep, done. Okay, it's the smaller object that I want to move. I don't want to move it. I want to make a copy of it.
Got it. With the Move tool selected, now click on the smaller object selected. Then press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. You should see a small plus sign appear next to the cursor. This indicates that you're ready to create a copy.
Okay, the plus isn't coming up, and it's just moving one of the corners.
It might sound like you might be selecting a specific point on the object. Before you click on the object, make sure you select the entire object. You can usually do this by double-clicking it. Then try pressing the Control key again to see the plus signs appear.
Okay, let's try. Okay, the plus sign is there now, and it's making a copy.
Great. Now click on the object again to start moving it, and you'll see that you're creating a copy. Move the copy to the desired location and click to place it.
Yep, I've done that. Can I make more than one copy?
Yes, you can make multiple copies. After creating the first copy and placing it, you can immediately type in the number of additional copies you want, followed by the multiplication symbol, which is the asterisk key, and then press Enter. For example, if you want 3 more copies, type 3x and press Enter.
3x, enter. Great, thanks very much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Okay, so we'll disconnect that. And you can see we've got our history here, so we can replay it if we want, if we need to go over steps. Now, it's not perfect. That one told me to use the asterisk key, but I know it's the letter X. It did correct that later. So just be aware, having a bit of an understanding about some of the computer language will help. But I hope this is going to be useful, especially if you're having to do things that you haven't done before. You can look it up on YouTube, or you can get help directly just by asking the right questions through Google AI Studio. Kia ora.